Best batteries for dry camping and boondocking in an RV or van. Are you tired of your RV battery dying in the middle of your camping trip? What if you could go off grid for days without worrying about running out of power? Hello, my name is John and I've been RVing for over 40 years. When it comes to RV batteries for boondocking or dry camping, there are many options available. When I first started camping off grid, I had no idea what kind of battery to use. But after years of trial and error, I finally found the best RV batteries for dry camping and boondocking. However, over the last few years, RV power sources have evolved a lot. Gone are the days of relying solely on electrical hookups and amenities. You can boondock anywhere and still have a lot of power at a truck stop, at a Walmart parking lot, at a national forest, at a visitor center, or a wide variety of other options. No electrical hookups or amenities will be at your disposal. So, what are the best RV batteries for dry camping and boondocking? Your RV operates on two vital systems: the 120-volt AC system, which caters to luxuries like the refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, etc., and the 12-volt deep cycle battery system, also known as house batteries, powering essentials such as lighting, water, and fans. Efficiency matters. Your RV battery's endurance hinges on efficiency. Typically, dual 12-volt batteries provide power for 2 to 7 days, subject on usage. Choosing the right battery is just not about making a selection. It's about ensuring reliability and longevity. While lead acid batteries may suffice for sporadic RVers, those seeking enduring power should opt for lithium batteries. Lithium batteries offer unparalleled safety, durability, and efficiency. Despite a slightly higher upfront cost, the benefits overshadow their lead acid counterparts. For a seamless boondocking experience, investing in a top tier lithium battery is not merely an option, it's an absolute necessity. If you found these tips valuable, then please hit the subscribe button and show some love with a like. And that's how you can take your camping experience to the next level.